This is a STEAM activity. STEAM. STEAM. S stands for science, T stands for technology, E stands for engineering, A for arts, and M for maths. This concept is applied in today's activity. Wondering how? We will learn it today. Our first concept is science. In science, we learn inquiry processing. In this, you will learn name some coloring tools, give examples for primary and secondary colors, and can we make natural colors? Our second concept is technology. Under this, we will learn quality management, QM, and quality check, QC, using simple tools. Tools required here are stirrer, stainer, peeler, knife, etc. QM. Mix 2 cups of water plus 1 cup vegetable in a bowl and boil for 1 hour and strain to extract color. QC. Use a brush and paint on a paper, fabric, or a tissue. Our third concept is engineering. Here we learn designing solution. Under this, we also learn quality assurance. Solution. Extraction of colors from natural ingredients like fruits and vegetables. QA. Use strawberry, beetroot, spinach, carrot, tomato, sweet potato, red cabbage, etc. to extract colors. Our fourth concept is art. Here we learn fine arts, play, drama, art and craft, etc. Here we will enjoy drawing and painting. Our fifth and last concept is maths. Maths includes number skills, spatial skills, and comprehending skills. Here we will learn counting, measuring, calculation, and estimating.